What's poppin', again? It's your boy OG Baby 6 with another episode. If you see me, I'm kind of dark. I just came for the beach, you know what I'm saying? I was with the family, having a tan. The reason why I'm making this video, I got a new subscriber. He asked me, yo, OG, can you make a video for the beginners? Can you break it down for the beginners coming up? You know what I'm saying? So this video is for the beginners. If you already meeting waiver, like, you know what I'm saying, you've been in the game for 6-7 months, you already know what to do. I did a washing style yesterday. I didn't go to my barber because I had to change plans, you know, and that's why I'm still, you know, kind of woofy. So I'm gonna do this video for my subscriber. Thank you for commenting on my video, and this video is for you. I'm gonna put you below on the screen while I'm making the video. He asked me make a video for the beginners. This is for the beginners. If you're elite waiver, you're already waiver, you know the game. One of the main keys beginners need to get in the wave game is, this is the main keys. The rest could come later on. First, you need this. You need a mirror. Okay? Second, you need a durag, which is this. If you can afford a poly, get a poly. If you can afford a satin durag, silky, get a silky. Third, make sure you get a medium. Get a medium brush. Don't get a soft or a hard brush. Get a medium, because medium you could do a woofing from 1.5 to woofing. You know what I'm saying? Just get a medium, not a medium soft. Get a regular medium, okay? After that, what you need this right here. This is pomade. Smells good. You know what I'm saying? I use it when I'm woofing. When I'm not woofing, I don't use it. If you're not woofing, you started with a 1.5, you can start with this for your hair. I barely use moisturizer because my hair's already wavy, you know what I'm saying? If I'm in a hair chart, I could say like I'm a 2A or C. I'm gonna put the chart on the screen. You need this, and every time, you know what I'm saying, you come from home, you don't got nothing to do, you want to get in a wave game brush. One of the main things is, let me take this durag off. By the way, this is buckle. It's a buckle durag. You know what I'm saying? If you want to purchase this, let me make a disclaimer. I don't get paid for this. This is just me being humble and showing you guys. You can get this durag right there, a West Tech, okay? This is a good durag. One of the things, you gotta find your crown, okay? Before you start, when you cut your hair, 1.5, so you can start being a waiver, you could cut it to 1.5. Locate your crown. Locate your crown. The crown, it's a bald spot that you have in your head. Locate it. Make sure and check your hair, the way your hair grows. Is it clockwise or counterclockwise? That's the major point right there, okay? Make sure you check your pattern, how it goes. Then you could choose if you want 540 slanted, if you want 720, if you want 360 swirl, if you want 360 slant, or if you want 360 beehive. It all depends. Me, I got a 360 swirl because my crown is swirling. So I choose to have a 540 at the beginning, and then I'm shifting. Now that I did already, I'm still shifting to a 360 swirl, okay? So that's one of the major key. You see the bald spot? Found that bald spot. I'm gonna try to put a picture of somebody else, you know what I'm saying, just with showing the picture so you guys could get it. After that, it's your decision. If you're on 1.5, you get a medium. Since I got a 360 swirl, do a small brush section with you guys. When you woofing, I'm gonna tell you right now, when you woofing, you gotta be on top of your head, man. it could get annoying, man. Your hairs get frizzy. If it's too hot outside, you don't got a durag. You know what I'm saying? Your hairs get curly because of the sweat. So it's annoying. For the summer, I'm gonna be honest. I cut my hair to 1.5. Look, I washed my hair yesterday. I did a washing style yesterday, right? And I was supposed to see my barber today, and I couldn't. You know, I had to change plans with the family. And the only thing that I used yesterday was oil. As you could see, that was the only thing that I used, oil. And I've been outside for like 8 hours. I just came home. And look at how my hair got puffy. You know what I'm saying? So that's one of the main things. For me, the best time to wolf, I'm gonna be honest with you, is for the winter. Because the winter's cold. You know what I'm saying? You got your durag on, you got your beanie on. It's better. That's the best time for you to wolf. For me, that's just my personal opinion. Right now, this is the first angle. I'm gonna break it down for you too. This is your first angle, right? Since I got a beehive, since I got a swirl, I do the crown separately. Always do the crown separately. You could start with the crown and then go around. Depends on what you're choosing. If you choose a 360 beehive, you can start with your crown. You know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, boom. If you're choosing my pattern, you could start with the swirly. You see? I'm not overlapping. I'm doing it by section. It looks like that, but I'm not. I'm not overlapping. When you overlap, you create forks. You see? All right? You see? Looks like that because my hair right now is kind of moist because of the heat. It's hot today, boy. Okay, so I'm gonna show you 8 angles for the beginners. First, this is one downward, behind, right here behind your ear, like going behind your ear. Look at the brush, right? The crown, you're always gonna do it separately. Okay, then you get on top of your ear a little bit. You're not overlapping because the brush could hold the whole thing. You could use the whole brush, right? Except the tip. Then the front, right here, you could go like this, right? This is where you this is the angle number 2, right here, like this. So you could do it vertical, which is like this, or you could do it horizontal. Remember, if you brush like this, your waves, they're gonna get wider, which is they're gonna be more around your head. Like this is gonna go up, my bad. But like this is gonna go up, your waves. Like this, if you brush like this, you see I changed my angles? If it was like this, it's gonna go wider, which is around your head. It's gonna be long. So you gotta pay attention when you're choosing how you're gonna hold your brush. Remember, like this is to go up. Like this is to go down. So keep your hands how you choose it. In other words, if you gonna go like this, tomorrow don't come like this, because you're gonna confuse your head. You're gonna create forks. Okay, make sure you understand what I'm saying. If you go like this, your waves is gonna get wider. Okay, if you go like this, your waves is gonna go up. So be careful. So the way that I'm brushing like this. I'm brushing like this. You see? Because I want my waves to get wider. But since I'm shifting, I'm being more precise, and I'm using vertical brushing. Vertical brush is more detailed. You can focus more on your angles. For me, that's for me. Okay, so right there, right here, you could brush like this if you want. Half of the brush. Remember, this is number 2 right here. You don't brush this. This is separate, okay? All you're doing is just connecting the wave. So you could brush like this. Just using half of the brush, okay? Half of the brush. You don't gotta use the whole brush. It's separate angles. Okay? This is forward. Alright, you could break 2 angles and 1, or you could do just 1. Then you got the metal one, which is straightforward. Everybody knows that. You see, I'm not close to the crown. The crown you do it separately. That's forward, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is right here. It's the same. So I don't use the same hand. I change my hands. Trying to get used to changing your hand. Forward, straight forward. Okay, right here, the same thing you did on the other side. But remember, you could do it like this, or you could do it like this. You choose, okay? You choose. Since I got a 360 swerve, I get on the crown and I brush like this. I drag a little bit. I got a 360 swerve and 360 beehive is different, okay? I just want to clear that up. Alright, so that was the 8 angles breakdown. If you want to become a waver, then you just gotta remember, this is just hair. You just gotta know how to play with it. You see, I'm not overlapping. I'm just moving my hair is free, man. I could feel it. I was for like 5-6 hours without a durag. I'm gonna apply some pomade. I'm gonna apply some oil, and I'm gonna put my durag on. All right. Once again, this is for my beginners. I'm replying to my subscribers. Thank you for the comment. You need a arrow. You need a brush. You need a plastic bag. You're gonna lay it down after everything. You're gonna need 360 or Morris. You could get Morris, you know, it don't matter. You're gonna need a durag to hold down your process. Everything that you do, the durag is gonna help you out to keep it intact. Okay, that's the main key about durags. Okay, that's a lot of people, you know, they got cornrows, they got dreadlocks, whatever. They put a durag to keep the process down. And I guess that's it. And after you win the game, after you've been waiting for a couple of months, you could get a crown brush. This is just for the crown. You know what I'm saying? You could get a soft brush. You could get any regular soft brush. You could go to the beauty supplies. You could go to 99-cent store. They got the double brush, which is double side. You got the hard and the medium on the other side. You know what I'm saying? So the main key being a waver is connecting your angles, choosing the pattern you want to choose, and stay focused, being precise. Don't switch up your angles. If you're gonna go like this, and stay like that. Don't go next week and trying to change it the other way. And you gotta be patient. You gotta be consistent, and you gotta be self-motivated. Nobody motivated me, only the goats. You know what I'm saying? My barber was the first one that motivated me to become a waver. You know what I'm saying? After that, it was up to me. So it's up to you. If you want to be a waver, you want to be lit. If you want to have, you know what I'm saying, crazy waves, and everywhere you go, you get a reaction, and you do, weight check. They haven't do a weight check in New York. You know what I'm saying? I've only been waiting for a year, so I'm waiting for a weight check so I could go and just compete for the sport. You know what I'm saying? I'm not elite yet. I'm in the process, so I'm waiting for that. Give it a go, 360 GC. Come on, slide through New York, bro. And I think that's it. I'm just gonna keep brushing and I'm gonna do my thing. All right, stay safe, stay out of trouble. Enjoy your weekend. Peace and love. Subscribe, share. You already know. Bye.